because it's a three-dimensional representation. It's visually engaging, especially for visitors who enjoy heritage, landscapes, and outdoor exhibits. The map is rich in symbolic value. It shows how Rizal, while in exile, still engaged intellectually, scientifically, and socially with his surroundings and community. As a heritage landmark, it captures a moment in Philippine history, colonial period, exile of Rizal, the evangelization and geography of Mindanao, and the role of education. Pair your visit with the nearby St. James Church, the historical church in Dapitan, and the other Rizal-related sites in Dapitan, like for example, the shrine or the Rizal Shrine, to maximize your visit.